Hello everyone, you're welcome to Edo Tafia Amipo YouTube channel, the best place for your news, entertainment and excitement. If this is your first time of coming to this channel, don't hesitate to subscribe to us, and while you are there, please click on the notification bell so that next time when we drop any video, you'll be the first to be notified. Thank you so much and God bless you.
Are you mad? Is a God the way they disturb labor? 1 year night. 1 year night. What's an agbu and no allo the sarure kwa? What year and we are mona de no where the year and a precious neck. No, we're not what to cook in here. We work where you are. What la lua. Precious men. 1 year night. I'll work away. I second all year is son. What will be me and I? What walking night, precious men? Will be a walking night. Then no what winner and I, precious men. Then no what winner and we are not what the buenana. Now, na precious get the way to Asumbu, get the way to Asumbu, get the we are so bad, precious men. What big boy banai. We make a zoom down area before precious men. Were you not a bad head in that area before precious men? Were you not there? Amaru were covered inside your toy and lumo and name precious men. Why are you not ashamed of yourself? And the Bonuni have a good record there. A relationship in Udeji, as well as Binoya there. What at the death swear for you? In precious men, they do they swear soon for you? Because I'm not so big. As there's a me, or catty part there at your room, boy. Eh? Precious Maggie 1 year night. What was Zugu Kuba on my phone night? He's just a little woman. What are the arrow? What are the arrow? What precious Maggie? Mammy, no. Any no, e carurila uno yo, uarana uno yo, he cannot want no hole leveya. Ah, precious win. Precious fun. Precious fuck. Na when.
Hello my people, how not day? Edo Tafia you day. What did they happen, Edo Tafia? Edo Tafia me bo, what did they happen? We don't just get anything from you, sister. What did they happen? Eh? What did they happen? You just leave us alone. Abi, when I feel they ask me that question, Abi, I'm not living alone. You get me? So I'm not living alone. I know it's a lot of saga just see on social media right now about this time. You know what I mean? And I hate them say I don't just this time around I not just the supply now waiting I want. You get me? So you know, and I know say so many times in life or sometimes in life, yeah. Somebody will just see something could just come up like on personal issues, you know what I mean? We say they deal with in our personal lives, you know what I'm saying? So when I be waiting the way say I not just feel not say I don't feel calm more. I feel calm, but I just decide say okay, make I relax a little bit, make I relent and everything, you know what I mean? So me I just watch. So since I just do on social media, at least I just watch. So with this one now I just say okay, me I just use one video, talk to my audience, or not really talk to my audience. Me, I just throw in one videos for my audience, you know what I mean? So when I know say I don't have my body around, you know what I mean? Like what's that one American boss I talk, you know what I mean? Say you must have forgot. And that is say maybe now forget or maybe I not go forget who I be. You know what I mean? So that be waiting there. And I even say I never upload video for some time now. I just see the CCA people, just see the follow me, see the subscribe. You know what I mean? My Facebook, the more followers just they come on my YouTube channel, they just they subscribe, man. So that's something really reminds me. Waiting person really they talk say if they do good thing or maybe if they your work good, it go speak for itself. Even though say they're not even the upload since then, and even the days leading to when I really not start to the upload again, days before that, and even they upload one video a day. Normally where they upload, you know what I mean? So it's like wow. Now true what he talks, say once your work good or your handwork good or anything you good or you be good person. No, now more just talking about good person or bad person. More just talking about work. If your work what they do out there, like your output, your production, anything at all, you say you don't engage with in life, if you do okay, if you do good, people go to represent you. Wow. I never upload this and see how people sit to subscribe. You know what I mean? If I see that subscription count, maybe say I open public, maybe I say I go even just put on private. You know what I mean? But I feel still live on. Man, live on. Man, I just thank you so much. I don't even get so many things to talk about now because really I just come up to just see this one and make me say, okay, may I just put one video, may I use the opportunity just to talk. You know what I mean? So this particular video now from a was Stainless Queen or Stainless Amadi. You know what I mean? She come here now, come talk to Precious Meg. Wanna excuse me first. Yeah. She come out, come talk to Precious Meg about how Precious Meg one use raise herself up on one use Don Smart want to raise herself up. You get me? Just because say Don Smart go out with him. I mean, you don't say this time around now, it can't different from the what we used to know, like our really traditional way of man and woman. You get me? So before, when you man even or boy even go out with girl, so to speak, you know what I'm saying? I see these two people and boy or girl. I just illustration one make, you know what I mean? Because Don Smart na man and Precious Meg na woman. You get me? So they don't mature rich like that. So but I just talk on like general purpose, like it has nothing to do. This one where I want to talk, it has nothing to do with them. Like then olden days when you say man. Yeah, go out with girl. The girl go even deny him. As long as say people don't know, maybe they do one on a corner level, like tight corner. And I know what I mean. Meaning say they just do maybe say people don't know, like secretly or nami. So, but this time around now, we say that kind of thing even occur. The woman I be go be the first person we say go come and say no, you tear that guy. Like say like you understand what I mean? I don't want to use some kind of technology. Or I don't want to use some kind of like say maybe he don't dunk that guy. You get me? So because that will not be friend or whatever. Now, you understand what I mean? She go come and say you don't that guy. They come like saying evil priority to women of nowadays, man. Man, this generation, what will they go? Where will they go? Where do you want to leave our children? Anyway, don't do that. So more go back to Stainless Amadi. You know what I mean? So Stainless Amadi say, yeah, Precious Meg, say you want to use yourself, take like you want to use smart blow or you want to use smart raise yourself, say like say you don't sleep with smart, that kind of thing. Say no, Precious Meg say, you know, I mean still somebody she destroyed Precious Meg. That one, this one not be anyway, may I use this guagua, may that word, may you know say some YouTube now be waiting the whole kind of words back. You know what I mean? So more just take us with take her before. So she really disguagua Precious Meg. Now that one just be the simple fact. Because I say the Precious Meg say may the first I'm now still somebody they talk now say the father will be a first child. Yeah, I mean will be the father of a first child. They say that one they don't know. Say nobody know and Precious Meg not even know. I say that kind of thing. No way they not even know. So the basically the child don't just get father. You know what I mean? He said the second one I say Precious Meg. May I just talk this one in local language or may I come for Benin or whatever or wait till Mwebu Yaga. You know, or you know, that kind of thing, like say, oh, fun rebel. Wow. You know what I mean? So if not really so, I not just know, but anyway, somebody night young, so you get me? So she really gets so many things where I don't go even fit talk, you get me? Because even right, I never want to start to the go back again because if I talk like this, now you go like see me they make videos again real quick because it gets some kind of thing where we say I really want deal with on my own personal level. Where we say now good thing and great thing. I want to solve this something first. May I deal with this something first? Where we say I really like for my life, you get me? Then I'll come back for YouTube or to upload YouTube video again, you know what I mean? So I not really come out because YouTube video saga go always remain there. So as long as I say I did very good at what I do, so you gonna go always enjoy me. I go always come back to now and not come out. You know what I mean? So now just be waiting there. Then from that one, what she which is I'm talking about Stainless Amadi. Then she go talk to she called this British Okpaika out. You know what I mean? She call her out because say anything I told you say British Okpaika want talk or you want do or you gotta use Governor Godwin Obaseki. You get me? So Stainless Amadi talk say make she relent. She really come back. She really goes talk straight to British Okpaika direct, not be saying direct. She say anytime I talk, we say British Okpaika come and call it talk to Governor Godwin Obaseki. Say he go turn to he go turn to between British Okpaika and her. You get me? So say she will come out from and say she don't cause wahala between her and Stainless Samadi, you get me, say go turn to two of their own wall, you get me, and I know 100% say Sokpaka don't want to mess with Stainless Samadi. That one for sure. She in her heart, she know that one. So what she will do now, we just watch, maybe she come out again, and so she come out, then we'll see say whether Stainless Samadi go no. Probably somebody go inform her or somebody will send her the video, then make she see what somebody go do. You get me? And I know say but 100% say I mean she hold her own and she whatever, you know what I mean, but she not go ever want mess with somebody. We know that one. You get me? So and now I just did it. So now I just be waiting there. So and I just want maybe say we go to the video. You understand me? And then one more thing, I want to talk again. I be waiting. I first talk before say my people. Despite I don't upload this one, and let me say I want to start to the continuous. You understand what I mean? So maybe in few this time or like that, I'll come back like fully loaded. You understand what I mean? And I be waiting with good quality, everything, and I know the good analysis, good commentary. You get me? So now I just waiting there. I miss you now. I know someone miss me, and I miss now. True. I miss now, and I thank God. We say I really know now, and I thank God. Say God, He bless me through now, and everything. May God continue to bless you now. Wait, I want to tell my people, man. I just so much love and I did gratitude. I really give gratitude to God. We say I really know now get me so and I go always be by my side and Mona always be by my side and I go always go at the best because here are the best. I'm a boy. I don't have fear. I'm a boy. In fact, I don't even do my introduction for this video. Anyway, I love you now. Mona, take care and bye.
Nagi mau ma ti se moroko ma rulehia ma ti se moroko ma wa ku ma ti se moroko ma ya gbina ma ti nwanyo ma gbe ma ti nwanyo ma ine ma ti nwanyo ma iyo ma ti nwanyo ma bi Netherland mana mi jo I wanna say Netherland mana mi jo I wanna say whole land is a mani jo I wanna say Netherlands. Ade, don't you want to go make another said, are you mad? That baby nonsense, you know, before I block you here. Let me concentrate. Precious, win. Precious, woo. Hey! Is that God where the shake area? Precious men, Ade, come. Is that God where the disturb labor? 1 year night. 1 year night. What's an agbu emu wa lo bisarure kwa. What iyere nu bi amuna de no gwa iyere na Precious make. Lugwe na watu ko kinia. Ugwe kwegiru a o. Ugwa gwa lalu a o. Ugu no ma ona ya ge. Uku for sana akba yo bala ye gwi a Precious make. Wa mi enai. Aseke no ye isisan. Wa mu bia mi enai. Wa working na Precious make. Mu bia working na. They no wa bi winere na Precious make. They no wa bi winere na bi na wa de buanya na kama wa na Precious get do we go mesunbu get do we to asunbu get do we aso ba na Precious na wa gbegbo abanai. We make a zoom that area near before Precious Meg. Were you not a bad head in that area before Precious Meg? Were you not there? Amawu we kabe yisaya your toya lumo the name Precious Meg. Why are you not ashamed of yourself? And the bonuni na good record there. A relationship in no days as well be no ya there. Why at the death swear for you? Iya mosu buwe. Precious Meg, they swing am buwe. They do they swear soon for you. Oso na mosu gbe. Ezezo mi o keti pa de ye ti o ki eru mo yi. Precious Meg give 1 million nine. What was Zugu we kuba mama phone nine? He just a look me. What are the arrow? What are the arrow? Akwa Precious Meg. Mami no. Any no le yakan. Ekerula unno yo. Warana unno yo. He kana gwa no hokole le ba ya. Ah, Precious win. Precious fun. Precious fuck. Na kwem. If you say make I give you the list when men where I don't fuck, you know say men where you don't do relationship with. Have you ever hold a relationship in your life, precious men? Have you ever held a relationship in your life? Have you ever built a friendship that lasts up to 10 years, precious men? Have you ever in your life built a friendship that lasts up to 10 years? You have never. Because why? Done. Ekerula moria, walobona moria, walobona moria, walobona moria. Okbenu ke gwalo de na myegiye vana no myo wona gui. Okbenu ke gwalo de. Okbenu ke gwalo de, you don't say. Na myegiye myo woni atupa mu meke na no bono amoa okewo. Is unfortunately they fall to your tomb. Then you not feel big. Say you feel big. Today in middle. Oh Jesus. Today in middle secret of 10 years. You are a bad head. You are a very bad head. You are a very bad head. You are a very bad person. You don't say. If I can remember. You don't say when they beat you, they start beating you since 2016. I'm not going to hear. Yes! Since 2016. They try to avoid you. But it's unfortunate. They fall to your sheep looking. What they not know see behind is Zagodo where they make dirty noise. See you where they condense maths. Precious men. What did happen to us there where they Denmark? That time where you there slow for no way. I know they do also best. I know they do not wear boys. Oslo boys wear not that money. Oslo boys wear not rich. UK boys wear they find woman. UK boys wear they carry women. UK boys wear they speak English. Now UK you they go. You know they do Oslo boys so. Na banyoro wu amamio. Omodi amamira kpogeva amamira. Ihe ofaloba wesi here no kpogeva rota mamenu ya bione wetu repebo. Tamano wona wa faro. Edu hai. Inu ya ve. Ima record wu ya inu ya ve kwa na ve. Wa ki ave dan egbu e here e be dan igwe ko si ai egbu boni. Una wa dan egbu ya egbu boni. Oboni ami aga segbe meme. Don't try me. What damn boy, I'll beat you beat that dirty native daughter. Not the mad. The Chris. What to far away? Ma what did we? Eruta. You die inside. I'm gonna wala remember kondo. Oh, not be black and white. Is it not it? Why be a moon we are gioma? Eh, don't smart. Eh, what ya Maria we who dan. Who if you care where you who Ugi sobo we huravan. Ugi uwe no gbegbo, uwe no kwegbo, uwe no keke, uwe no siokbiya rieke, uwe no gbeni okbiya, uwe no skadaleze ni okbiya, uwe no mokbiya ifye wala. To we deti. Afwa we baka. Uwe ya se sobo korle. Afwa. Agwe na afwa. Nekuwe mu na wogi enye o abona agugwa gbaga ta nwa o ma pinya ni mi onwo na ni o ma gbenu we ke gwale de no we alala ba ku we popa ika. Let's go to the next person. Mama B, I felt you say rest for this matter we mefu e ni kenya we nena we are nene na we Mama B. What it be your for say this matter umi eta. The only thing we go say Monica insult me. Lolo, they insult me that time when they did together. They don't forget that do me this one. They don't forget that father. They don't forget that do me this one. They don't forget do me this one. They don't forget do me that one. Monica, they insult me. Monica, they do me this one. Monica, they do me that one. Oh! I tell you one is your mommy B. Oh! You saw no I cry because una mia do wa mana wow. And me fight boy. Una mega do wa mana wow. Ami Fagboa ne gie na is what I'm trying to cover in Nakama way. Egwebo, and then what another much word in the Facebook, Ija agent relay here. And then why you get the Facebook? Bay! I will just by cow, I saw the day here. I saw the day here. Will you be happy when you see that? Will you be happy when you see that? Mommy B, will you be happy when you see your old precious old mother on social media? Will you be happy? Because so will you be happy to see your old beautiful mother on Facebook? Mommy B, na that area. I know why they talk this one. Because na that area they try to cover. Na that area they try to avoid making not let that happen. Na that area they try to cover for you now. Say, hey, we matter now. You know why here. Wanna working. Still like, don't insult my beautiful mommy. Imagine body 1 million and message just see. And you know when we are over 1 million and no sense what block you. Where did you love her more than me? Did you love your beautiful mommy? No bow, your beautiful mommy. Who are messy? Who never mona here? Who never mona old mano? Any other mammy bishes or buy a Facebook. I don't wish you were on soon. No bow, but never any block a while. Bell, boy. Oh, warrior. Any other of your quarter, them no mark bunny. Where did you want a man like Bella than a Will you allow that to insult your mother and move back? Una include here, I include commenters and viewers here. Mind yourself, oh, you carry your women because you want more by it. Una there among the comments where I drop here. Either you mind yourself, I give it to you, I'll block you out. What me and I? What walking I? What walking I? What walking I? You better do well. Because any arrow your phone, arrow is one on the memory. What is one at Japan? Mamma said, what by can a move your face? Now, what bay you are about? And you know, one of your money at the message, just read not to tag a new bell. What so? Okay. All right. Mama B, I'm telling you like this. I don't try to make sure say this matter not rob you pass me, don't rob you rich. Oh, what do I have to like this? Maybe that you well. I want to talk and openly because people they say, anyway, not be the praise that day, not be the fact that day, not be the promote that day, not be the head that day. Now maybe this. You know me very well, Mama B. You know me very, very well. You know me very, very well. I don't support when it's good, when it's bad, I don't support nonsense. I'm not saying she be bad person, but sometimes at your age, there are things, there are people that are worth to even insult you or to call you names. We are going to be maybe over not Dion, get Monica Dion, get a lawyer Dion, or get a warrior Dion. If you say me, what are we talking here? I don't know how old are you because I say we're born so if you're so young. So I don't know what the condition for your side they be, whether not the young side they, whether not the young side they or not the old side they. But me, I know say not be small picking. The other they say they go record your brother, go give Monica. One night will matter now, we then go record your brother. And then one they go know they don't go record my mama. Who will go my mama. Walk which way they like mama. Be honest with me, where they go too much. In fact, me and your fight not go ever end. If you happen to say I see that old woman for Facebook. If you happen to say you feel promote this saga where they try to avoid you, you feel promote and read the extent where your old mother go enter social media. Ew, it been my way I thought you be mama be here. Yeah, when Monica you even try as before as much as possible to be their friend, but they refuse you. Why will you choose one over one? Why will you not choose one over one? they were together, they never accepted you. They said no, they don't need a third party in their friendship. Not even you, only you. They rejected precious men, precious idiot. They rejected precious men. They said precious men, they don't need third party. They rejected her. They rejected almost 5 women like that when they were together. If I can still remember. They rejected almost 5 women, one from UK, one I think the other one was enemy. They rejected 5 of you. I count it. They said they don't need a third party. They don't want anybody there. They are missed. Why now? Who you want to choose over who? Who do you want to choose over who? Which of them accepted your friendship when you were negotiating, mommy love, mommy B? Which of them accepted? None of them. None of them. Do you understand? None of the one accept your friendship. They rejected you. They use their figure to command it. Monica say use her hand to command me shit with your eye. I remember. Because of you, because of this their friendship where you no want to rest. Now lead to the one where they take insult a logo of your land. There. You go say they insult a logo of your son. You brought him out to insult, Mama B. Let's be realistic here. Let's be realistic here. I never wanted to come back to this old nonsense. But since all of you should say, and then I'm going to wabu wa you here. No wala. When you boy me you here. After I don't true. Ruda waya me lo bia lo gero here. Ana your menstruation ya fun le joma e joma o. Because a Monica wo pe ani me egbe de. A Monica ma me face ni wa gbon e de. Iya ma gba me egbe do ma me ka pe ani de wo ri o pe ni la jaruda wa na ro pe ani. Leave me. Don't tell me what to do here. If you can't take my voice, get out. Be careful with your comments. What do you want here? What do you want here? If you are by Kenan as a band of Ruby and Lalata, I do a gbede. I do a gbede. I don't know where I'm at. The way I got what else you, Eriaka what you, I don't know opportunity I son or your patability to ask me the day I did it. I got near the miracle on social media, Mammy Biabi. Don't give you rank for social media that time, Abby. I beg, before you bring your man comment, I want to beg you for my governor side. Because it be like saying that one go to cause quarrel before me, because that your man will set. May I first beg you for my governor side. I know they like people who be say they don't like person. Even when the person do good or bad, they know they ever they like him. I know they like him. I know they like him. Or mama na when we say what can make no man when we say. I don't know why we no more we can make we no more. That is the sign of encouragement. It make people grow. You feel me like this, Mama Beatrice? When all these courts they shoot, they kill innocent people. I went governor not talk. Or give the police like that give belly and belly we kita na ya wogun. No, they say this is of you everywhere. Did you have any of your children that is a courtist? Come I went all wow. Wa mo no wa te rugged yela one ya. No go ya fian wa because I wa you walking ya kian na ya. Me go no let all about me go mo no me gbon one no go big gbon money. Do one na yela wa where you ene wa you walking ya no go I come to no pa kametre keni ya go record keni ya go record. O ga wo record ga gi le mani record mo bo ye gba wa le e ro gun fie no ki wa. That is just it. Awo kana wuji e vie. E be mi owe. So sisi nya wu ya amwe wo ni de ya yu ki yo e. Iya yu ki yo e. E police agbe so ma ye agbe. Eri ano. E police agbo so ma ye agbe. Ogun agbe bo agbe. Sisi nya wu ya agbe wo ni amu da ya ka wuji ya mi wuji. Onyo ni wo pa wo la owo. Not they give any platform for anybody to insult my governor. That one go to cause quarrel between me and you. Because you know expect a basket to go through and say, oh yeah, I'm on account. Oh, only agbawa no boy, we make na go kind. La wo state. Not yeah, no. If you want to talk about what they happen for state, talk about what they happen for state. Not that they let that they insult. I'm not gonna like him. I'm not gonna just like him. I no go just like am. I no dey gree. Lawowo. The governor of no civil now. Police don't dey everywhere, army don't dey everywhere. They are taking over the state. They are trying to do their best to make sure say all those escaping idiots where beside their PC they release. They are trying to get back to where them belongs to. Don't you dare come out there to insult my governor. They are not go agree. That one go dey cause quarrel between me and you. My governor go dey cause quarrel between me and you. Go dey cause quarrel, honestly speaking.
Hello guys, you're welcome back. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you did enjoy the video. If you did, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and while you are at that, don't forget to click on the notification bell so that next time when my video drops, you will be notified. And one more thing I'd like to say is that if there's anything that you guys would like me to change, like an addition or an increase to anything I'm doing with my video production, or like a reduction or decrease or take away from my video production, don't hesitate to leave your comment or your suggestion, your opinions on the comment section. And believe me, I read every comment and I'll know what changes to be made. Thank you all so much for watching once again. Bye.